Hello everyone, welcome to MK Talent. So today I'm gonna reveal my almost my cardboard activities that I do every day. And then when interested to do these cardboard watches and these Apple products have been really coming so much nice to the exact real ones. But this is a kind of a favorite to me. This MacBook and the iPhone. This is done year back, but right now I get a perfect chance to upload it on the YouTube. So this iPhone you've been seeing in the shots, and I made it really after 3 days. So it took me 3 days, and the MacBook took me 1.5 day because I just continually sat down there. So let's take a closer look at the MacBook. The keyboards and the space systems have been done really exact to the MacBook, even with the touch, like MacBook Pros. And the website, speakers, and the camera uses time, M1 Max chipset, Bluetooth, Siri camera, and the battery time, Mac OS, and the file manager, Safari has been everything has been installed over this. And I made and draw YouTube podcast settings, everything, whatever a Mac needs, it's available inside, and a trackpad with the i7 core. But why i7? Because I like i7 from Windows, so I just added it up. So once closing it up, sides have all the Thunderbolts cable and the USB. As I told, it's a year back. The letterings have been bit blurred, but I'll just fix it and put a real video to this. And at the back it says 8 terabytes, a fully loaded version.